Did you know there's a tiny seed so powerful that ancient pharaohs called it a cure for everything except death? Yes, I'm talking about black seed oil. From the tomb of King Tutankhamun to modern-day wellness, this ancient elixir has stood the test of time as a miracle remedy. Stay tuned because in this video, we'll uncover the secrets of black seed oil, explore its ancient origins, and reveal how you can harness its extraordinary health benefits today. Black seed oil comes from the seeds of the Nigella sativa plant, also known as black cumin. It has been used for over 3,000 years. Ancient Egyptians considered it a gift from the gods, with pharaohs using it for immunity and vitality. In fact, historians found black seed oil in King Tut's tomb, proof of its esteemed status. But what makes it so special? The secret lies in its bioactive compounds, including thymoquinone, which is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. Top 5 Health Benefits of Black Seed Oil. Let's dive into the modern benefits of black seed oil that make it a must-have remedy in your kitchen hospital. 1. Boosts immunity. Black seed oil strengthens your immune system by increasing white blood cells. This makes it perfect for fighting colds, flu, and infections. Fact: studies show black seed oil can even reduce the severity of autoimmune disorders like arthritis. 2. Promotes healthy skin and hair. Suffering from acne, eczema, or hair fall? Black seed oil can help. Its antibacterial properties cleanse the skin, while its nutrients nourish the scalp for thicker, healthier hair. Pro tip: mix it with coconut oil for a natural hair mask. 3. Supports heart health. Rich in healthy fatty acids, black seed oil helps reduce cholesterol and supports better blood pressure regulation. This means a healthier, happier heart. 4. Aids in digestion. Black seed oil has been used for centuries to ease bloating, indigestion, and stomach cramps. It works wonders for gut health. Fact: modern studies show it can help with conditions like IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. 5. Natural remedy for inflammation. From joint pain to asthma, black seed oil's anti-inflammatory properties can relieve chronic conditions naturally. It's a lifesaver for anyone battling inflammation-related diseases. How to use black seed oil. So, how can you use black seed oil in your daily life? Here are some simple ways to get started. 1. Internal use. Take 1 teaspoon daily with warm water or honey for overall health. 2. Skincare. Mix a few drops with your moisturizer to reduce acne and hydrate dry skin. 3. Hair care. Massage it into your scalp weekly to stimulate hair growth. 4. Cooking. Drizzle it on salads or mix it into yogurt for a flavorful twist. Before we wrap up, remember that while black seed oil is safe for most people, it's important to use it in moderation. Overuse can lead to nausea or upset stomach. If you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication, consult a doctor first. So, are you ready to embrace this ancient remedy and transform your health? Black seed oil truly is the Pharaoh's cure-all, and now it can be your modern-day secret to wellness. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Kitchen Hospital for more natural health tips. Comment below, how do you plan to use black seed oil? Let's keep the conversation going.